Okay. I'm here at Sands Village for my very first time. And I fed the goats. I just paid $3 for a pigeon festival. And now I feel like I'm the Broadway from Home Alone 2. I've seen other people's videos of them doing this, but I've never got to experience this myself. Oh, the feet tickle my hand.
Oh, I got two. I got three. Whoa, it's so soft. Get away. Grandma, I want to touch it. Get away.
Okay, that guy says no thank you because he flew away. Oh, you're beautiful. We should get such a beautiful, bright blue sweater. Okay, I'm gonna step on the other side.
I got a bird.
I know it's not a penguin. It looks like oh, man, now he's no
I'm directly by my face behind the camera.
There's like the one that looks like his grandma. He's on a bed.
maybe he's on the air conditioner.
Yeah, it looks a lot like a penguin. Can I go?
Okay, we got a yoga up here.
Mommy, that scares me. You see that one on the bed? When he goes to the air conditioner.
Oh, yeah, maybe let's finish. Okay, come here. We're going to be here for 5 hours.
Alright, this one board in the middle of the three has board seat on top of his beak. Yes, I can only he knows how to save board seat for later in case he gets hungry when there's no one around. And this one, the blue one has board seat under his beak. Good luck at trying to get that off of yourself. I'm going to the other side of the room. Hi, you guys like board seat? Guys, I got board seat on my finger. Not just a stick. Wait, hold on a second, guys. Okay, now it's back on the stick. What does board seat taste like? Is it supposed to be healthy for birds? Oh wow, look at this girl. Oh my gosh.
What's on my hand?
Hey guys, the Broadway's Home Alone 2. We're covered in boards. How did you know I roll the stick to try and twist your board brains? How well can a bird smell compared to a dog? Oh good, this guy just hopped on my stick, so now he gets a feast to himself. Oh, well, one guy didn't mind. Yeah, just clap our hands on left. Oh, good. So now these two are having a date of board seat. See, the first one was kicking it.
You're doing good though.
One almost hit me with their wing.
Wait, what?
Okay, if you two are going to start a fight, I'm going the other side of the room, and neither one of you will get anything. This is your warning. If you fight like that, I'm going the other side of the room.
Here, let me look.
Pigeon!
Oh, they're funny. The lady look at those.
Not really. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just touched one. What is stuff in your mouth? You guys can take a video of it.
Oh, okay, I'll take a video. Alright, ready?
Like I said, the family behind me knows what I'm doing and where this is going to go.
Why is it on your hand? Wait, I want to see it. Oh.
Let it put under mine.
You don't have to.
Oh my god! Let it put under mine. Oh my god!
You don't have to.
Look.
Yeah.
The pink one is just one for you.
Boys must have a well sense of smell. How do they know where the sticks are? Oh yeah, in case I downloaded this video late, today is June 16th of 21. Just in case I downloaded this late.
I'll get a picture of you.
Okay, lucky this guy. He has the buffet to himself. There's no one around him to fight with. What? I just got the board to my eye. Whoa, okay. What was that all about? I just got bored to my eye. Oh.
I think I put it out of here. I'm gonna meet you guys outside.
Alright, I'm stopping the video. You know, I still have board to left.
Oh no.